everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I was here with another easy breezy recipe. Today I'm bringing you the most low carb, gluten free, grain free flatbread ever. Also known as roti or chapati, it can also be used as a wrap or a soft tortilla. This roti or flatbread has only 1.5 grams of carb as compared to whole wheat roti, which has 15 grams of carb. This low carb coconut flour flatbread is perfect for curries or wraps if you are on any low carb diet like keto or paleo or a gluten free diet. It is especially beneficial for the people who are suffering from type 1 or type 2 diabetes. It prevents the rapid spike in blood sugar levels and reduces the requirement for insulin in type 1 diabetics. Coconut flour or coconut oil is also good for type 2 diabetics. Coconut oil can help improve pancreas functions as well as increase insulin sensitivity. So if you're following any of these diets or are diabetic, then this flatbread is just for you. I love curries, and eating curry with a spoon while on a keto diet just wasn't enough for me. I kept craving for roti, something to dip in that curry and have a bite full. Though this roti or flatbread tastes like coconut when eaten on its own, but when eaten with curry, the coconut flavor is not that prominent. You might taste the coconut for the first few times, but later, as your taste buds get more used to it, you don't taste much of the coconut. This roti or flatbread is really easy to make, but the dough takes 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to rest before you can roll it into a flatbread or a soft tortilla. So here are all the ingredients you'll need. Two tablespoon psyllium husk, also known as espargol. A pinch of salt, half a cup of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon oil or butter or ghee, also known as clarified butter. I used homemade ghee. I'll soon post a video showing how to make it. And 1 cup warm or hot water. So here's how we're gonna knead the dough. First, mix all the dry ingredients with butter, oil or ghee. Then add some water and mix it. Pour the remaining warm water and knead until it comes together and forms a ball. If you're using hot water, then pour all the water and mix it with a spoon or fork. Actually, using hot water speeds up the process. The husk and coconut flour absorbs hot water and expands much quicker than adding warm water, thus saving you time. Let it rest for 5 minutes if you have used hot water and 10 minutes if you have used warm water. After 5 to 10 minutes, cut the dough in 4 equal parts and roll them into balls. Now take 2 pieces of baking paper, big enough to roll your flatbread in. Take 1 dough ball and flatten it out on the baking paper. Now roll it with a rolling pin. It doesn't move like normal dough, so you have to change your direction again and again to flatten it out. Flatten it out as thin as you can possibly handle. For me, this was thin enough. You can cook it as such, but if you want to be really perfect and want round rotis or wraps, use a plate to cut it in shape. Place plate face down on the rolled out coconut flour dough and cut it with a knife. Ta-da! You have a round roti, flatbread, or a tortilla. Funny thing, in our culture, the girl who can make round rotis is considered to be very sukkar, meaning very skillful. So there you go, ladies. Easy way to become skillful. Anyways, heat a little oil or ghee in the pan and carefully peel the roti off the baking paper. Put the roti on top and cook it till the sides start to appear golden. And then flip. You really don't need to cook it for a long time because you can consume both the things as such. You cook it just because it can hold shape. This was the leftover dough after cutting all the extra sides, and I made one more roti out of it. You can have these hot with your favorite curry or make a wrap out of them. They are so much softer than the usual roti and taste so good. You can make this coconut dough and keep it for days. It doesn't go bad unlike whole wheat flour. Better instead, make the rotis in advance and keep them in your refrigerator for quick use. This is the most easiest gluten-free, grain-free and low-carb flatbread, roti or chapati, wrap or tortilla you can make at home within few minutes. So do give it a try and share your creations with me at mahas.shack on Instagram. I usually post 2 recipes in a week on Monday and Friday, but I'm bringing planned school lunches with me episodes next week and will post every day. So subscribe and press the bell icon. Comment below and tell me how will you eat your coconut flour, grain-free, gluten-free, low-carb, flatbread, roti, wrap or tortilla. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.